RBI Governor Raghuram Rajan surprised everyone by announcing a 50 basis point or 0.5% cut in the key bank rate. The cut brought down repo rate to 6.75%, the lowest in 4.5 years. Well, this means home loan rates should get cheaper yet again. 1.25% has been the cut so far in this fiscal. So, what do? You ensure that your rates are also comfortably below 10% now and you're not overpaying. If you are, you have to switch. Here's a recap of the best home loans on offer today with the good news that these will come down further.
I think most people expected a rate cut. Nobody expected a pause. That was good. Now, the extent of the rate cut, to some extent, we were influenced by international developments since last time, which suggested a much weaker external environment. If you look at our exports, for the first time, volumes also were a little weaker this time around, all of which suggests that we have to live in turbulent waters for a little while longer. So that was why the policy was a little different from what people expected.
Developers didn't waste a moment to welcome the big announcement. The rate cut gave the battered sector a reason to rejoice and a hope of revival. At the time where over 7 lakh homes are lying unsold in top 8 cities, developers are betting big on banks cutting home loan rates to accelerate home sales. Home loan interest rates have already entered the single-digit regime, with country's biggest lenders disbursing loans at rates between 9.75% to 9.95%. With a hope of further reduction, the industry is seeing light at the end of the tunnel.
This rate cut of 50 basis points is something which is unique, which was not really expected, and therefore it's a windfall. I just hope that now, along with the risk weightage being reduced to 50% on home loan rates, I just hope that yes, the banks pass it on and in fact introduce teaser home loan rates, which will give a great boost, as the SBI chairperson had said about a month back in her conversation with the Governor RBI.
This 50 points cut has left a wide gap between the policy interest rate and rates at which the banks lend to the end borrower. Will it nudge banks to make home loans cheaper is something home borrowers would keenly watch out for. In New Delhi with Nitika Bajaj, Oinitham Ojha, NDTV.